Alright guys, I've done everything I can think of to get ready to mount the bed on the subframe. We got Rusty Tetris back into the garage here. I got the subframe up on some stilts, so I have room to work underneath him to get some of the welding done, along with the painting. So we're looking pretty good. I even went through and put some rust reformer on the hubs and then gave them a coat of flat black. These ramps, I modified the hangers on them, and I think that's going to work a lot better. And what I'll end up doing is just making a similar bracket, but doing it on the bed instead of doing it freehand, and I think it'll turn out a lot better. But just towing the trailer across the street with Abel and then bringing them back over here, the trailer maneuver is awesome. It drives, it pulls nice and straight. It's easy to back up. I like the short wheelbase on it because that gives me room to maneuver a lot better in tight spaces. And we got the, I'm going to call these stabilizers, and this is a suggestion from Dave Anderson, Helicool's Helipad. If the trailer is not attached to Abel, you could do a wheelie while driving the snowcat up onto them. So what I did is I put those, they're 5,000 pound rated trailer jacks, and I'll just store them in the buyer's boxes while we're towing, and then if I need to use them, I have easy access to just get them out of the buyer's box, and one pin holds them in. You can alternatively rotate the trailer jacks, but that would look kind of funky driving down the road. Plus, if somebody rear ends me, those trailer jacks are toast. So I'm going to just leave it like that. And thank you for that suggestion, by the way, Dave. That'll come in handy when I need to load Rusty onto the trailer, and I don't want to connect him to Abel. But aside from that, I think I've nailed just about everything. I've cut out all the pieces I can think of. Those little brackets that Willow helped me. Let me see if I can pull one of those up here. Those little brackets that Willow was helping me run a hole saw through. These are for the marker lights on the side. I figured it'd be pretty easy to just go along the side of the bed, zip off some of the paint, and then just weld these on, and then boom, I've got a side marker. I cut out 6 of them because I got 6 lights. I got 2 red for the rear, and then 4 of the amber for the sides. So those should come in handy. Those are ready and prepped to go. I've got all of these angle pieces cut for mounting the ramps to the bed, and of course I've got a bunch of little pieces of scrap that I'll probably end up using to strengthen the ties to the subframe when I weld it together. What else can I think of? I think that's probably going to be it for this episode, guys. If you like this episode, give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed yet, I'd love to have you as a subscriber. And hey, go ahead, good or bad, leave me some comments down in the comments section. It helps the channel grow. If you give it a like, YouTube will suggest this video to other people, and maybe there's some people out there that would like to see some of the resto mods that I do on these crazy and wild vehicles that I find. And yeah, this is the biggest resto mod I think I've ever done. A full snowcat, and now a trailer for him because I got frustrated looking for a decent trailer that wasn't built flimsy, and it was just driving me nuts. Anyways, saved a bunch of money on both of these projects by doing everything myself and sourcing a lot of the stuff off Craigslist and eBay and whatnot. But other than that, guys, I hope you guys are staying safe, taking care of each other, and as always, I'll catch you next time. See you later. Bye-bye.